Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another cash-friendly budget envelope system. This time I was at Office Depot and I found these little envelopes. They were $2.69 each, which is kind of a lot, but for what it is, it's going to be great for the cash envelope system. It has a little pocket on the front where you could put receipts, and then it just has a little zipper top. Put your cash in. I'm going to use these for sure. I've already labeled quite a few, and I just used a label maker. You can use washi tape, whatever you need to label these. My husband's going to be getting more into this, using these. I got to get him to stay on track this month also, so I got quite a few of these just to keep us on track and keep us organized, so he can just go right to these and get whatever he needs when he needs it. I don't keep these in my purse. I don't know if I've ever talked about this, but I don't walk around with these cash envelopes in my purse. I live close to everything, so if I need to get some cash, I'll just go home and get it and then go buy whatever it is that I need. I don't have to carry, I don't carry the purse binder that I had. The very first one was a Rachel Cruz wallet, and I tried carrying around all my cash. I just didn't love that. That's just not something that I like to do. But I do love to be organized, and I think this is going to work out great. At $2.69 each, I probably got 10 or 11 of these. I'll show you all of my categories maybe in a next video that I do. Also, I want to do a cash stuffing with you and just show you kind of what I put in each category. But I already have some money in this one, and I just have a little slip that lets me know what I put in there and what I took out. And my husband can also write on these little slips and just let me know what he spent, or he can just stick the receipt right here in this little front cover. But again, these are $2.69. It's not like it's a big commitment. This is a very budget-friendly option. They also come in gray. Let me grab the gray. These are the gray ones, and the ones I labeled these are just going to be for sinking funds. I'm not going to be having to use these very often, so I got these in gray. But the main ones I'm going to use, they are in the pink, the everyday ones that I'll just need to pull from. I'm curious if everybody that does cash envelopes, do you carry your cash around with you all the time, or do you have a binder? What do you use? I'm just curious what everybody's method is. This works for me because, like I said, I don't want to think about losing my purse or my purse getting stolen and me having all of my cash walking around with it. So I just want to know what everybody else does. This method works for me, just leaving it at home. Like I said, I live near everything, so I don't have to have any binder with me with all my cash in it. I'm pretty minimal about everything too. I don't want a lot of things in my purse. That's also another video I want to do, what's in my purse. So yeah, just stay tuned for more videos, and I just thought I would show you this budget-friendly cash envelope system. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.